Hello, my name is Gurleen Kaur and I am pursuing my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Punjab University.
Hello, my name is Bhavya Mittal and I am currently pursuing my Electrical and Electronics Engineering from UIT.
Hello, I am Akhilesh Kumar and I am pursuing my Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Punjab University, Chandigarh.
Industries which manufacture nuts and bolts in bulk quantities. During this process, the nuts and bolts may get damaged.
Now, separating this defective nut and bolts from the correct one is another costlier and slow process, and it reduces the efficiency of manufacturing.
So, in order to overcome this problem, we have made our own machine of nut bolt sorting. In this, first there is the process of linearization of the nuts and bolts, and the second process is of slot allocation of the nut and bolt, and then the third part is the image processing.
Linearization process. In this, firstly we have taken a horizontal wooden base. On this wooden base we have kept two vertical wooden planks. In between these wooden planks we have kept a horizontal wooden base. On this wooden base we have kept a hopper. We'll pour in all the nuts and bolts in this hopper, and this hopper is controlled with the help of a servo motor which will push down all the nuts and bolts at an angle of 30 degrees each. Then these nuts and bolts will fall onto a horizontal shaking plate. This shaking plate is controlled with the help of a DC motor. A narrow opening has been provided in front of this shaking plate, via which bolts will fall onto a V-shaped inclined plate, and thus the nuts and bolts will get linearized.
During slot allocation process, one nut will fall in one single slot and it will be rotated through a control gear DC motor. Now we have mounted a camera above one slot and it will be capturing the image of nut when nut will come under beneath its vision. Now this is controlled through image processing programming.
So after the process of slot allocation, for the image processing part, we have a slot which has a IR LED, and when the IR LED encounters the photodiode, the diode detects it and the motor is commanded to be stopped, and correspondingly the camera is commanded to capture the images, and the dimensions of the nut is detected using the algorithm. So the first image here, as you can see, is the background image of the slot in which the nut will be detected and the dimensions will be taken. And the second image is the real-time image that is being captured by the camera when the motor is stopped and the nut is captured. The third image is the image of the subtracted image, that is after subtracting the second image from the first image, and this subtracted image is going to be further used in the detection algorithm for measurement of the dimensions of the nut. So the fourth image is the consequent image after the application of the edge detection algorithm.
As we see that using algorithm, nut is detected and its dimension is measuring. The dimension of the measured values and the actual value of the nut are same.